Hello students. Today we will show you how to upload your TP recordings to the Google Classroom. So first, what you need to do is you need to record the video and copy to the PC, and then right click on it and go to compress and select zip file. So once you zip the file, there will be a RAR file or zip file available. Then what you need to do is you need to go to your email account, open Google Classroom, open your TB Classroom, and then select the classwork and the assignment to which you need to upload the document. Click on it and click on View Instructions, and there you can see Add or Create. There are three ways you can do it: through Google Drive, link, or file. Let me show you all the three ways. First, let's select the file, browse the file, and attach the document into it. And the file will be added to the assignment. This is one way. The second way is you can click on Add or Create, click on the file, click on the Browse button, and then choose the file which you have zipped and open. In case if the file is very huge size, what you can do is you can also upload to your Drive file. So to do this, you have to select Google Drive. But before that, what you need to do is you need to go to your Google Drive and then click on New, Upload, File Upload, and then select the file which you want to upload it. So if the file is a huge one, it will take some time. If not, it will be attached. Then you go back to the Google Classroom, Add or Create, select Google Drive, and from the My Drive, where the file is saved, select the file and attach it. So these are the three ways you can attach the document or video to your assignment, and then turn it. Thank you, everyone.